Hey, we're super excited to announce one of the biggest giveaways we've ever done, and there's 2 prizes valued at a total of $18,000.
For any school in Western Australia, you have the opportunity to win one of 2 Promethean titanium 75-inch interactive panels fully installed in your classroom, including software, training, and full 5-year on-site warranty.
Yeah, no, it's crazy. It's been a long time in the making, as these have been voted the best interactive screens for a classroom around the world. So that's what you want me to say, is it? Well, I just said it.
But because the last 2 years have been some of the toughest for education globally, it's now time for suppliers and vendors to give back.
And what do you do to put your school in the running? All you have to do is purchase your next classroom installation with K2AV and forward this video to one other educator or tag them below.
That'll give you 1 ticket in the draw. So if, say, you purchase 20 classroom packages because you're doing a classroom rollout, you'll get 20 tickets in the draw.
Now you may think, what's the gimmick? Are you hiking up your price? And why should I get my next classroom done by K2 Audiovisual? But wait, there's more.
Starting September, we've discounted every classroom package by up to 55% off the regular retail price. So you get a discounted price on a package that you would normally get anyway. And by upgrading your classroom, you get the chance to win a $9,000 interactive screen.
And there's no gimmick. As long as the package includes a projector or a screen and installation, it qualifies. And in the link below, you'll find a common list of all our discounted prices so you can make the best choice for you.
It's a win-win, so even if you don't win a screen, you win a huge discount like never before on your classroom package. The promotion is now active and the final draw will be done at 12 p.m. Australian Western Standard Time on the 17th of December. If you need any help from any of our team members who you've seen in this video to help you with your classroom or space you're considering for an installation, give us a call, send us an email, and we hope you can win one of these awesome screens as part of this draw. Best of luck.
I'm accounts. I'm the one who's going to follow up your invoices.